Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're back on the IAA auctions and we're checking out some snowmobiles in this video. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to check out some of our other videos. We just shot a Razor video and cars and trucks. We check out everything. So like, comment, subscribe, and let's get into this video and check out some of these snowmobiles. So we'll get to this one here in a minute, but first one we got is a 2011 Polaris 795cc with 2,600 miles on it. And let's check out what's wrong with this thing. Overall, this thing looks pretty well intact. Look at this, it's not that long, 163-inch track. Got some kind of, looks like some kind of ECU chip tuner on here. Overall, this thing looks in pretty good condition. Has some, looks like oil here, maybe something to do with an engine. It does not say if it runs and drives. Well, actually it does say starts, so at least it starts. So let's see, most of these is pretty, the skis are pretty good intact. Nothing seems to be visually wrong with this snowmobile, other than here's a little bit of damage. Here's some scuffs. This is ripped. Looks like, what is that, air filter? Well, yeah, pretty good shape. Here's a stock number. Go to IAI.com and check this snowmobile out, and the rest of the snowmobiles we're gonna see in this video. So let's keep going. So here we got a 2018 Polaris 800cc. It doesn't say it runs, it says an in-up, so probably some kind of mechanical issues. Let's check this out. Any visual damages here? Not really, just cracked sticker. There you go. Let's see if there's any power. Doesn't look like it has any power. It does have a half a tank. Track seems to be in pretty good shape. Not too bad. We're not too familiar with all the names of the snowmobiles, so you know, you could roast me in the comment section. Let's see what's inside here. Overall, I mean, from this side you can't really tell much. Okay, let's keep going. They got a few snowmobiles here. Let's go to this one. Okay, so this is a older Ski-Doo, 163 inch, as well as like the other one we checked out. It comes with a gas tank, and it doesn't have a, well, actually that might be the stock number right there, so you could put that into IAI.com and check it out. But looks like something's wrong here. Looks like it got hit, because look, there's no, the plastic piece is missing. This whole side looks like a side swipe. Got, look, QRS link. There's the engine. So yeah, go check this thing out, and let's go. All of these are like Polarises. I mean, I know this is a Ski-Doo, but this Polaris, we'll get to that one here in a second. Arctic Cat, this is a Polaris. Let's check this one out. Here's a stock number before we get into it. This is a 2013 800cc Polaris, so 1,300 miles. Runs and drives. Let's see where the damage is at, huh? Let's see. That's not a damage, just a little rust. Got a little side swiped here. Nothing visually. The track seems to be intact. I don't know, it doesn't specify why it's here. It says collision, but I'm not sure. Oh, this is missing. So looks like, what is that, control arm, maybe a sway. Something's missing on this side. So yeah, looks like some kind of collision, maybe from underneath. This is broken. I doubt that's why it got totaled. A scratch. Okay, well, this is not too bad of a shape. So let's go to this Arctic Cat. This is the stock number right there. Go search it. I had some plastics off of it already. This is a 2014 800. It's an M8. It's an in-up, so it does not run. Let's see the track. Everything looks pretty good. I like the yellow, not the yellow, the lime green color kind of stands out. I know it's dirty right now, so the color's not really popping. But there's the key. Has some, what is that, springs in there? 2-stroke, baby. There it is. Yeah, this doesn't look like it's supposed to be like that, but oh yeah, there you go. These parts I think are off of one of these razors. This is all razor parts. Anyway, let's move on to this orange one, which the orange looks sick as well. It's a Ski-Doo 2015, and I believe it starts, but go check out the stock number. It should list there more specifically, but this color just looks sick. Look at Ski-Doo. I know a lot of guys love the Polarises, but the Ski-Doo looks pretty nice. I don't know how it is in the mountains. It says this thing was in a collision. See, it looks like a battery's missing. The exhaust, part of the exhaust is missing. Looks like there's still coolant in there. Let's check out the other side if we could take a look. So yeah, this is damaged. I'm not gonna even open it. The skis look like to be in good shape. Yeah, not too bad. This is actually pretty sick. This is obviously broken here too. Looks like probably was leaning and ripped it out. Not bad, not bad. Okay, let's go to that one right there, and then I think we have one or two after this. So this one right here is a 2018 800 Polaris. It was in a collision. Some of these plastics are broken. This is hanging. I don't want to pull on it, but you guys could see inside a little bit, barely, but a little bit. This is bad. Look at this. I don't think that's good, but actually I don't know if that, I don't think that actually does anything. Just holds this rail. The track looks like in good condition. The skis look in good condition. They churn, not churning too much, not to scratch them. Here's a stock number. You guys want to go check it out, IAI.com. Take a peep. It does not say any specifics on this thing. There's no power to here either. I don't know how many miles or hours on this thing, but this thing actually looks kind of sick. I like it. Black and white. Okay. Okay, boys, last one we're doing today, and that's for snowmobiles. 2014 Polaris 600. It's an in-op, so it does not run. Has some parts for it. I'll try to pop the hood to see what exactly is wrong with this thing under the hood, but from the outside, not too bad. 155-inch track, Track seems to be in pretty good condition. You can already tell the exhaust is out here, so it's missing a few parts from the engine bay. Let's take a peep. Oh yeah, look at that, boys. A little surprise, huh? You can see those piston rods. Yeah, you're gonna have to be rebuilding this. The wiring. Yeah. Hey, whoever knows snowmobiles, this could probably easily be done. I know a few guys that could probably rebuild that in a heartbeat. It's a 2-stroke engine. I mean, pretty simple usually. Okay, boys. Thank you. Oh,
well, don't say boys. What if girls watching the channel?
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching this video with the snowmobiles. Thank you for coming back. Be sure to check out some of our other videos with some of these razors that we have, that we checked out here. Cars, trucks, whatever. Be sure to slap that like button, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. We'll see you guys on the next video.